You are welcome to my HTML5 series. This is a part of my series of tutorials on learning and mastering HTML5. And the goal of this course is to help you understand HTML much easier and also to become a web developer, to help you become a web developer, This is coding with your mobile phone aspect of the course. The course is categorized into two aspects. Those practicing with their PCs or laptops aspect is available. Each tutorial is recorded into two. Those practicing with their mobile phone aspect is available, and those practicing with their laptops and PCs are available. I encourage each and every one of you to code along with me. This is to help you understand the course much better and also enables you to understand and see the power of HTML. HTML is used to develop web applications, the website we see in the user interface aspect of our website. Let's get started. Now let's talk about headings. Headings are used to display the various titles of our content in a web page. For example, if you visit a news website or a blog, you will find that the title of the content, you find the title of a content. The title of a content is usually coded using the headings tag in HTML. So, or the title of a book in a web page is usually done with the headings tag. Headings start from H1 to H6, depending on how big you want your title to be. Now let's see the heading tag in action or in a real code. So I open my editor and write a free. Let's wait a bit for it to open. Now I will then declare my standard HTML document. I'm just going to do the document declaration. Exclamation, doc type, document type, that's doc type. I'll say HTML. If you follow along, you realize that this is just a standard declaration for HTML, and we'll say HTML, and then I'll close it. So the first aspect is telling the browser that this is an HTML document, the document declaration aspect. And then the second aspect is where our HTML code will be, the kind aspect of the container. So now let's talk about headings. Headings starts from H1 to H6, depending on how big you want your content to be. So to declare the headings tag, to use the headings tag in your article or page, you first start with the less than symbol, and then H1, and then it will say we type in the content we want it to appear. Maybe this is let's say heading 1. Then we close it, and closing it we use the greater than symbol. Where is it? Here is it. Or the less than symbol, and then we use a slash. The editor will automatically close it for us. Then we click on the play button. The button which looks like is a preview button. We click on it, and you will see that this is what appears. This is the first heading. You see how big it is. So the rest of the H tag didn't appear. The H1 didn't appear. The document type didn't appear. It's not meant to appear, because what is meant to appear is this is the first. This is heading 1. So now let's try this heading 2 and we see. The H2 tag. So when we do and say maybe this is heading 2 and we close it. If we play again, you realize that this H2 is much smaller. You can use any of this depending on how big it is. It starts from H1 to H6, so I'll continue till H6. So let's say H3. Let's say this is heading 3, and then I'll close it. We move on to H4. This is heading 4. We close it. So if we play, you see that as you go on, it becomes smaller. It depends on how big you want this to be. Now let's continue. H5. We close it and say this is heading 5. By the way, if you don't understand how I do and how the cursor is coming down, I just press enter, the enter key on my keyboard on my phone. That is how I do, and it comes, my cursor comes down. So the H6, we say this is heading 6, and then close. So now we play, we preview, and we see that this is how headings are. And by the way, headings are quite powerful tool, and we use them a lot. And mostly we use them to title our web pages, like the title of our web content, and they are quite powerful. So that is it. If you have any question, you can ask below, or challenges. Thank you.